Matthew Sims from Encore Automotive Diagnostics and Repair, reporting live from Times Square, letting you guys know we're thinking about y'all. Any automotive concerns, repairs that you may need, feel free to give us a call at 919-539-7265 or stop by the shop at 816 South 3rd Street, Smithfield, North Carolina. Y'all have a nice day. Welcome back, Matthew here with Encore Automotive Diagnostics and Repair, and today we have a 2010 Cadillac CTS, and we are going to be installing the crankshaft position sensor. It sits on the passenger side of the engine, just before the seam of the engine and transmission, up underneath the heat shield. You cannot miss it. We got the new one here. Customer provided this part. Comes with his own new fastener and everything. Raise the vehicle up in the air, install this part, and hopefully get this vehicle check engine light off. This came in by way of a customer diagnostics on AutoZone Diagnostics. And we're going to show you the procedure on how to get this done. And that's the little booger we're about to pick. Alright, I'm going to give you a good look on how this is going to look when you come across it. You're not going to be able to see it because it's going to be tucked underneath this heat shield here. So you just pull the heat shield back and you got access to it there. Alright. Alright, we got the fastener out now, and it's probably going to make sense if you were to basically unplug the entire sensor from the well here, from the block, and then go after disconnecting the actual sensor. Alright, so once you get it out, you can then grab the tab here. Alright, which went back down. So once you get this out, unplug it, the one hand thing there. Took me some years to get that down packed. Alright, once you get it unplugged, clean that oil off, make sure the connector's not interfere with any chemicals or any liquids or fluids. Plug it back up and you're good to go. If you could get a camera in there or some type of inspection tool to check it out, look in there, make sure you're not seeing anything, but this tip looks pretty clear and clean. It actually is a sort of a magnet. I don't think it's gonna, may not be strong enough to stick to this. Let's see. Got made a little bit of contact, watch. Let's see. See, it's a magnet, and that's how it keeps the position of the crankshaft, because it's reading sections of the crank and it's picking it up by way of magnetism. Science, see? I might take this home and stick it on my refrigerator. Fun, cool, fantastic, boring, let me know. Comment in the sections below. Subscribe. Continue to follow our channel. We appreciate it. Very, very busy person, just like everybody else in the world. Getting my focus on making these videos and thinking of content to deliver with you guys. But if you got any interest that you would like to see a video made on, or you're interested in coming to join the team here at Encore Automotive Diagnostics and Repair, let me know. My name is Matthew Sanders. You can get in contact with me in several ways. I'm open. Here we are, Encore Automotive Diagnostics and Repair. You have a great one.